The Amazon, covering over 3 million square miles, stands as the epitome of biodiversity, housing millions of known and unknown species. This captivating video delves into the uncharted territories of the Amazon, a realm shrouded in mystery and teeming with secrets. Welcome, fellow explorers, to a journey into the heart of the Amazon rainforest, where scientists' terrifying new discovery hidden in the Amazon rainforest awaits. Our exploration unveils a new discovery that has sent shockwaves through the scientific community, challenging the very fabric of our understanding of nature. Led by a team of brave scientists, this revelation promises to reshape our perception of the Amazon rainforest and its critical role in our planet's delicate balance. Don't miss out on the opportunity to be at the forefront of this groundbreaking discovery. Subscribe now and be part of this exhilarating exploration. Candiru. In the mysterious waters of the Amazon basin lurks the notorious Candiru, a parasitic catfish notorious for its unsettling habits. Measuring only a few centimeters, this creature has earned the ominous monikers of vampire fish and toothpick fish. Its claim to infamy lies in its parasitic tendencies, particularly its unnerving attraction to urine scent. With an uncanny ability to detect ammonia in the water, the Candiru swiftly homes in on its target, entering through the gills or urinary openings of larger fish and, infamously, even humans. Once inside, it deploys its spines, securing itself in place and feasting on the host's blood and tissue, causing excruciating pain and potential harm. The Candiru is not to be taken lightly. It is known to inflict severe infections, organ damage, and, in extreme cases, death. Removing the Candiru poses challenges, as attempts to extract it without proper medical assistance can result in the spines breaking off, making the process arduous and risky. Swift medical attention is crucial to mitigate further complications and harm. With its nightmarish reputation, the Candiru is an exemplary figure in the aquatic realms of the Amazon. Water wolf. Diving into the eerie depths of the Amazon River basin, let's talk about the Pyara, also known as the saber-toothed tigerfish or the ominous water wolf. This aquatic nightmare lurks beneath the surface, earning its vampire fish reputation with its terrifying appearance and gruesome feeding habits. The Pyara roams the waters of Bolivia, Brazil, Ecuador, Peru, and Venezuela, particularly in the heart of the Amazon basin. Picture this: silver scales, spiked teeth, and two elongated fangs reaching 4 to 6 inches. These fangs are so massive that Pyaras are born with specially designed holes in their upper jaws to accommodate them, like nature's version of deadly accessories. The giant recorded specimen, caught in Venezuela in 1996, measured a spine-chilling 3.5 feet and weighed a monstrous 39.4 pounds. But here's where it gets genuinely bone-chilling. Pyaras are not picky eaters. They dine on other fish, including piranhas. Their feeding tactics involve darting into schools of fish, creating chaos, and using those gigantic fangs as weapons of mass consumption. Some unlucky prey gets swallowed whole, while others face a more gruesome end, torn apart by the dagger-like teeth of the Pyara. These predatory creatures are masters of the river, thriving in clear, fast-flowing waters, often found in the tumultuous currents of rivers and at the base of cascading waterfalls. And while Pyaras might not have natural predators, they are the stuff of nightmares for other river inhabitants, making them the undisputed rulers of their aquatic domain. The bull shark. In the vast expanse of the Amazon River, a surprising and dangerous resident lurks beneath the surface, the bull shark. Contrary to the perceived safety of freshwater, these formidable predators challenge that assumption, venturing far beyond the ocean into the inland waters of the Amazon. Bull sharks, known for their adaptability, have been documented in the Amazon River up to a staggering 2,500 miles inland, with the farthest sighting recorded near Iquitos, Peru. a port city nestled deep within the jungle. Physiological adaptations, such as specialized organs like the rectal gland and modified kidney, liver, and gills, allow bull sharks to regulate their salt balance in varying habitats. Remarkably, they can even reproduce in freshwater, showcasing their unparalleled adaptability. Amidst the mystery of Amazonian waters, the coexistence of sharks and dolphins adds a layer of intrigue to this extraordinary ecosystem. Peanut head bug. Meet the Fulgora laternaria, a creature both bizarre and unsettling. This insect, often dubbed the peanut head bug, is a master of disguise, with a head resembling an unshelled peanut. It reaches a chilling length of 85 to 90 millimeters, boasting a 100-150 millimeters wingspan. Originally thought to be luminescent, the peanut head bug's true terror lies in its defense mechanisms. When threatened, it unveils large, yellow false eyes on its hind wings, mimicking the appearance of a lizard or serpent. This alone intimidates some predators, but the horror doesn't end there. The bug releases a foul-smelling substance, a skunk-like spray that permeates the air, creating a deterrent that few would willingly challenge. The rainforest, where this creature resides, is a battleground of survival, and the peanut head bug has evolved a multifaceted arsenal against its myriad threats. The Amazonian giant centipede. In the expansive tapestry of global habitats, the Amazonian giant centipede, scientifically known as Scolopendra gigantea, takes center stage as the world's most giant centipede, stretching over 30 centimeters long. A true marvel of the insect world, this formidable predator has honed its skills as a bat hunting specialist in the dense landscapes of Venezuela. With potent venom and impressive tactics, S. gigantea has been documented preying on bats in cave environments. Unlike their spider counterparts, giant centipedes exhibit an affinity for caves, climbing walls, and ceilings with agility. Astonishingly, they even capture flying bats mid-air, hanging from cave ceilings to snatch unsuspecting victims within their reach. The centipede's prowess extends beyond acrobatics. It employs potent venom delivered through specialized pincer-like tools called forcipules, or poison claws. This deadly duo allows S. gigantea to inject venom into prey, including flying bats, incapacitating them for consumption. While giant centipedes pose a formidable threat to smaller vertebrates like bats and snakes, the question of their danger to humans arises. The short answer is yes, as centipede bites can induce pain, swelling, tissue death, and infections. Maintaining a respectful distance is advised in the presence of the world's most giant centipede, as our vulnerability to their poison claws should not be underestimated. The Green Anaconda. In the heart of the Amazon, the Green Anaconda emerges as a silent behemoth, reigning as the world's heaviest snake. Stretching over 8 meters and weighing more than 200 kg, with females surpassing males, this colossal constrictor prowls the waterways with deadly precision. Cloaked in dark green and adorned with deceptive spots, its appearance belies a formidable predator. The anaconda's narrow head, lacking a distinctive neck, conceals vertically elliptical pupils and 6 thickened scales on its snout. A skilled swimmer, it navigates waterways with agility, capable of astonishing bursts of speed. On land, its movements become slow and deliberate, utilizing the Amazon's diverse terrain for cunning strategies. A voracious hunter, the anaconda employs constriction to subdue prey, targeting capybaras, tapirs, and caimans. Ovoviviparous in nature, the anaconda incubates eggs internally, giving birth to 20-40 offspring. The journey to adulthood, however, is fraught with peril as many fall prey to predators. TD monkey. In 2011, Julio Cesar Dal Ponte stumbled upon a distinctive TD monkey on the Roosevelt River in Mato Grosso, Brazil. Collaborating with the Conservation Leadership Program, Dal Ponte and a team embarked on multiple expeditions, uncovering a new species of TD monkey with a vivid orange tail, light gray forehead stripe, and ochre sideburns. Recently named Calicebus miltoni, or Milton's tidy monkey, it pays homage to Brazilian primatologist Dr. Milton Tiago de Mello. Restricted to a small region between the Roosevelt and Aripuana rivers, these monkeys, locally known as zog-zogs, inhabit lowland rainforests, with the majority in Mato Grosso and the remainder in Amazonas and Rondônia. Despite 57% of their territory being safeguarded by conservation areas and indigenous lands, the species faces threats from deforestation. Between 2001 and 2012, approximately 212,000 hectares of tree cover vanished from the monkey's range, with the unprotected middle section experiencing substantial loss. Mato Grosso's high deforestation rates, primarily agriculture-driven, pose a significant risk. The giant river otter. In the watery realms of South America, the giant river otter, also known as the river wolf, stands as both the giant otter and the mightiest member of the mustelid family, reaching lengths of up to 6 feet. This aquatic giant thrives in the Amazon, Orinoco, and La Plata river systems, navigating the slow currents with its streamlined body and webbed feet. Feeding on a diet of fish and crustaceans and occasionally challenging the likes of small caimans and anacondas, the giant river otter's whiskers act as aquatic radar, sensing vibrations in the water to locate prey. These social creatures form family groups, inhabiting dens along riverbanks or under fallen logs, patrolling territories spanning up to 12 kilometers. Yet, their survival narrative is one of struggle. Endangered and facing local extinctions, the otters grapple with the legacy of 1970s pelt trade hunting and habitat loss. Slow to mature and facing threats from overfishing, hydroelectric dams, and mercury poisoning, their resilience is tested. As vital predators, they shape aquatic ecosystems and serve as ecological indicators. Electric eel. In a groundbreaking discovery, scientists conducting DNA research in the Amazon basin have identified 2 previously unknown species of electric eels, challenging the long-standing belief in only one species in Greater Amazonia. The 3 electric eel species, Electrophorus electricus, Electrophorus volti, and Electrophorus varii, trace their origins to a shared ancestor millions of years ago, with each species adapted to specific regional habitats. This discovery hints at the possibility of diverse electric-generating adaptations in response to varied environments, carrying potential applications in fields such as medicine and technology. Despite the name, electric eels are more closely related to catfish than true eels. Growing up to 2.5 meters long, they possess specialized cells called electrolytes that generate jolts of electricity along their flanks, reaching up to 600 volts, 5 times the charge of an average American plug socket. While generally not fatal to healthy adult humans, multiple shocks can lead to heart or respiratory failure, and individuals stunned by eels risk drowning. The eels, carnivorous in nature, primarily feed on fish, amphibians, birds, and small mammals, using electric shocks for prey location and capture. The Black Caiman. The Black Caiman stands out as one of the most significant living members of the crocodilian family, Alligatoridae, and the Crocodilia order, second only to the critically endangered Orinoco crocodile in the Neotropical ecozone. Inhabiting slow-moving rivers, lakes, and seasonally flooded savannas of the Amazon basin, this carnivorous reptile boasts a formidable size, reaching up to 6 meters long. As its name suggests, the Black Caiman exhibits a dark coloration in adulthood, often bordering on black in some individuals, with gray to brown banding on the lower jaw. Juveniles sport a more vibrant color palette, featuring prominent white to pale yellow banding that persists into adulthood. Distinguished by a unique morphology, the Black Caiman possesses a large and robust head, offering an advantage in capturing larger prey. As the largest predator in the Amazon ecosystem, it preys on a diverse array of fish, reptiles, birds, and mammals, showcasing its role as a generalist and apex predator. While limited ecological studies exist, the Black Caiman occupies a distinct ecological niche, potentially serving as a keystone species that contributes to maintaining ecosystem structure. Reproduction occurs during the dry season, with females constructing nest mounds to protect eggs from predators. Hatchlings form protective groups called pods, often including individuals from various nests. Once abundant, the Black Caiman faced near extinction due to relentless hunting for its commercially valuable hide. Presently listed as conservation-dependent, the species has made a gradual recovery. Despite its lesser-known status, the Black Caiman poses a threat to humans, and historical incidents of attacks underscore its dangerous nature. If you enjoyed the journey, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more mind-bending content, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss a thing. Share your thoughts in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Spread the excitement by sharing this video with friends. Your active participation keeps the adventure alive. Thanks for joining us on this incredible journey.